Welcome, curious minds and tech enthusiasts, to a fascinating exploration of the profound synergy between artificial intelligence, AI, and human intelligence, (AI). As technology advances at an exhilarating pace, integrating AI into our daily lives is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present reality. However, contrary to the sci-fi scenarios where AI turns rogue and humanity faces extinction, we're witnessing a collaborative revolution where AI enhances and augments our cognitive abilities. This journey promises to unlock unprecedented possibilities across various domains, from healthcare and education to business and beyond. So buckle up for an intellectually stimulating ride peppered with a dash of humor and a treasure trove of knowledge. The dawn of AI from sci-fi to reality. The narrative of AI often begins in the realms of science fiction, with images of sentient robots plotting world domination. But fear not, dear reader, for the reality is far more exciting and less apocalyptic. AI, through machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL, learns from experience, adapts to new inputs, and performs human-like tasks with impressive finesse. Imagine having a super-intelligent assistant that never tires, never forgets, and processes data faster than a caffeine-fueled programmer. Consider the historical context of AI's development. Initially, the notion of AI sparked fears of job displacement and cognitive competition. Fast forward to today, and we're witnessing a paradigm shift. The focus is no longer on AI replacing humans, but on creating a symbiotic relationship where AI and HI collaborate seamlessly. This new era, aptly termed Augmented Intelligence, celebrates the unique strengths of both humans and machines, aiming to maximize their combined potential. Augmented Intelligence, the perfect partnership. Augmented Intelligence, AI, is a concept that suggests machines and humans can complement each other's strengths. It's like Batman and Robin, but with fewer capes and more algorithms. Instead of fearing job losses, imagine a world where AI technologies such as natural language processing, NLP, and advanced data analytics amplify human cognitive abilities. Picture an AI-powered assistant helping a doctor analyze patient data to make precise diagnoses, or a financial analyst using AI to predict market trends with uncanny accuracy. This paradigm shift is evident in various fields. For instance, in healthcare, AI algorithms sift through vast datasets to identify patterns that escape the human eye, thus aiding doctors in diagnosing diseases early and accurately. This isn't about robots replacing doctors. It's about giving doctors superpowers, much like Iron Man's suit enhances Tony Stark's abilities. The collaboration between AI and HI results in improved efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making prowess. AI in healthcare, healing with precision. Let's delve deeper into how AI revolutionizes healthcare, a domain where precision can mean the difference between life and death. AI-driven technologies are streamlining patient care, diagnostics, and treatment, paving the way for a healthier future. Diagnostic accuracy, the AI edge. Imagine a radiologist examining hundreds of medical images daily, searching for anomalies. It's a Herculean task prone to human error. Enter AI, equipped with machine learning algorithms that analyze medical images with unparalleled precision. AI can identify subtle anomalies in X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, often detecting conditions like cancer at an earlier stage than a human eye might. This collaboration doesn't replace the radiologist, but augments their diagnostic capabilities, leading to quicker and more accurate treatment plans. Personalized medicine, tailored treatment plans. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all treatment plans. AI's ability to analyze a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and response to previous treatments heralds a new era of personalized medicine. By identifying patterns and correlations in vast datasets, AI helps doctors tailor treatments to individual patients, optimizing efficacy and minimizing side effects. It's like having a bespoke suit made, but for your health. Virtual health assistants, 24/7 care. Virtual health assistants and AI-powered chatbots are transforming patient care. These digital helpers provide instant access to information, answer queries, schedule appointments, and even remind patients to take their medication. They don't replace doctors but act as a first line of support, enhancing patient engagement and allowing healthcare professionals to focus on more complex cases. Robotic surgery, precision and efficiency. In the operating room, AI-driven robotic systems assist surgeons, enhancing precision and reducing recovery times. These robots handle tasks like suturing with a steadiness that human hands can't match. Surgeons guide these machines, combining human expertise with machine precision, resulting in better surgical outcomes and a more efficient healthcare system. However, this brave new world isn't without its challenges. Ethical considerations such as patient privacy, data security, and the responsible use of AI in healthcare are paramount. Striking a balance between innovation and ethics ensures that AI integration maximizes benefits while minimizing risks. Education reinvented. Personalized learning with AI. Education, the cornerstone of human development, is undergoing a transformation with AI at the helm. The traditional classroom model is evolving into a dynamic, interactive, and personalized learning environment thanks to AI technologies. Adaptive learning platforms. Customized education. Adaptive learning platforms leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze students' strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. By tailoring content and feedback, these platforms create personalized learning experiences that engage students and improve academic performance. Imagine an AI tutor that knows precisely when you're struggling with algebra and offers just the right hints to guide you through. Virtual tutors. Learning at your pace. Virtual tutors equipped with AI capabilities provide students with individualized assistance, helping them grasp complex concepts at their own pace. These AI tutors can offer explanations, answer questions, and even quiz students, fostering a more inclusive and effective learning environment. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, minus the hourly rates. Smart classrooms, engaging lessons. Smart classrooms use AI to create dynamic and interactive lessons that cater to students' unique preferences and abilities. From AI-powered educational games to real-time analytics on student engagement, these classrooms are designed to make learning more engaging and effective. The result? A generation of students who are not only better educated but also more passionate about learning. China, for instance, has been at the forefront of integrating AI into classrooms with remarkable success. AI cameras and brainwave trackers monitor student attention levels, providing real-time feedback to teachers. While this raises some ethical questions about surveillance and privacy, it also showcases the potential of AI to enhance educational outcomes. AI in the workforce, reshaping industries. The workforce is experiencing a seismic shift as AI technologies streamline operations, automate routine tasks, and foster innovation across industries. Far from making human workers obsolete, AI is creating new opportunities for human expertise and collaboration. Manufacturing, precision and efficiency. In manufacturing, AI-driven robotic systems enhance precision and speed, increasing productivity and cost-effectiveness. These robots handle repetitive tasks with unmatched accuracy, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. Finance, insightful analytics. The financial sector benefits immensely from AI algorithms that analyze vast data sets, offering insights into market trends, risk assessment, and investment strategies. AI-powered tools help financial analysts make informed decisions, optimize portfolios, and predict market movements with greater accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball that actually works. Customer service, personalized assistance. AI-powered chatbots revolutionize customer service by providing instant and personalized assistance. These chatbots handle routine inquiries, freeing human agents to tackle more complex issues. The result is a more efficient customer service experience, where customers get quick resolutions and agents can focus on higher-level problem-solving. Human resources, streamlining recruitment. AI is also transforming human resources by streamlining the recruitment process. AI tools analyze resumes, match candidates to job requirements, and even conduct initial interviews. This automation not only speeds up the hiring process, but also ensures a better fit between candidates and roles. Additionally, AI helps in creating customized training and development programs, enhancing employee performance and satisfaction. However, as AI reshapes industries, ethical considerations and challenges arise. Issues such as job displacement, data privacy, and algorithmic bias need to be addressed to ensure a fair and inclusive transition. Providing reskilling and upskilling programs for the workforce is essential to help employees adapt to the evolving landscape. Ethical considerations and challenges. As AI continues to evolve, it brings with it a host of ethical considerations and challenges that must be addressed to ensure responsible development and deployment. Bias in algorithms. Striving for fairness. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the training data contains biases, the AI will inevitably perpetuate those biases. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI development is crucial to avoid reinforcing existing prejudices and inequalities. Data privacy. Protecting personal information. The vast amounts of personal data required for AI applications raise significant privacy concerns. Safeguarding this data and ensuring that individuals have control over their information is paramount. Transparent data practices and robust security measures are essential to protect user privacy. Job displacement, navigating the workforce transition. While AI automates routine tasks, it also raises concerns about job displacement. Addressing this challenge requires a proactive approach to reskilling and upskilling the workforce. By preparing employees for new roles and opportunities, we can ensure a smooth transition and harness the full potential of AI without leaving anyone behind. Ethical governance, guiding AI development. Establishing ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks is essential to guide AI development responsibly. This includes ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI applications. Ongoing dialogue between developers, policymakers, and the public is crucial to align technological advancements with societal values. The road ahead, a harmonious coexistence. As we traverse the landscape of AI and its integration into our lives, the road ahead beckons us towards a vision of harmonious coexistence between AI and human intelligence. This envisages a future where both entities complement each other, each contributing its unique strengths to create a symbiotic relationship that maximizes benefits for society. Establishing ethical guidelines and responsible AI development practices is key to this harmonious coexistence. It requires a collective effort from researchers, policymakers, and the public to navigate the potential pitfalls and moral dilemmas that may arise. Transparency in AI algorithms, addressing issues of bias, and safeguarding privacy become imperative aspects of this journey. Furthermore, fostering ongoing dialogue ensures that the societal implications of AI are thoroughly discussed and understood, allowing for the alignment of technological advancements with human values. The road ahead calls for a careful balance between innovation and ethical considerations, emphasizing the augmentation of human capabilities rather than their replacement. Conclusion: a collaborative future. In conclusion, the exploration of how AI enhances human intelligence unveils a narrative of unprecedented possibilities, collaborative innovation, and responsible advancement. The symbiotic evolution between AI and HI represents a paradigm shift from fears of replacement to a future of harmonious coexistence. Augmented intelligence emerges as a transformative force, amplifying human capabilities across healthcare, education, and the workforce. However, ethical considerations and challenges must not be overlooked. The road ahead demands a harmonious balance, with ethical governance guiding the integration of AI into our lives. As we stand at the crossroads of AI and HI, the journey ahead necessitates collaboration, continuous dialogue, and a commitment to shaping a future where the synergy between artificial and human intelligence propels society towards greater heights of knowledge, creativity, and well-being. The future is not a dichotomy between man and machine, but a collaborative venture where AI enhances the very fabric of human existence. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey into the world of AI and human intelligence. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the future is a collaborative masterpiece waiting to be painted by the combined brushstrokes of human ingenuity and artificial brilliance. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated CAPTCHA. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.